Okay, friends, here is my example that I'm going to create with my Five Senses poem. Notice, it says, do not use my example. Please don't use my example or any of the lines in my example. I have the directions posted next to me. And if you remember from this slide, you must follow the prompts to complete your poem. Do not write line 1, line 2. You're fine. So I don't want to see line 1, line 2, line 3. I just want to see the lines. So your example, your final product should look like mine, okay? Remember, every poem needs to have a title, a picture, and no words, except words like it, the, as. Those words, no other words can be repeated, okay? So you can use the same topic as you'd like, but not the same poem. I'm going to make my title a little bit bigger. My title is going to be Summer Fun, and I'm even going to make it a different color because why not? Okay, I think of yellow when I think of summer, but it's hard to read yellow, so I'm going to make it orange. Okay, so Summer Fun. Here's my poem. I'm going to turn it back to black and maybe change it later. Okay, so line 1 says, tell me what color, emotion, or idea looks to you. So what, to me, I'm going to pick a color. Summer is yellow. That's what I think of. Summer is yellow. So line 1 is like, what is your topic? What is your topic kind of remind you of a color? Line 2, tell me what my topic, so my topic is summer, tell me what it tastes like. Imagine, so you're closing your eyes, you're thinking, if, in my case, summer had a taste, what would it taste like? Okay, for me, summer tastes like lemonade. Now, notice my line 2 went on a third line. I don't want that. So I either have to make my font smaller or I'm just going to extend my text box. Ooh, almost. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. And I'm going to extend my text box because I can only have, there we go. Okay, so summer tastes like lemonade. To me, if summer has a taste, it's lemonade. Okay, line 3. Tell me what my emotion or idea sounds like. So again, if I'm closing my eyes, summer sounds like splashing. Can I spell? Splashing in the pool. Again, my line is going on the next line. So I'm just going to make my whole poem, except for my title, a little bit smaller. Okay? That's okay. Because you only want to have 6 lines. So, summer is yellow. Summer tastes like lemonade. Summer sounds like splashing in the pool. Notice, each line is starting with summer. Okay, so if you decide to do summer, spring, fall, maybe you choose a holiday, Christmas, Halloween. Okay, your line should start that way. And I said it tastes like, sounds like, looks like. Okay, summer looks like yellow. Okay, so I should have those underlined words in my poem. But notice, I don't have line 1, line 2, line 3. I just wrote it. If you have the lines, you're going to have to redo it. Okay, line 4. Ooh, tell me what my topic smells like. So, okay, I got it. Summer smells like sunscreen. I don't know about you, but every time I think of summer, I think of that sunscreen, coconutty scent. Love it. Line 5. Tell me what my idea, my emotion looks like. Okay, so if you're looking out the window, okay, and you have summer, a picture of summer, what does that look like? So to me, summer looks like the beach. I just think of the beach. Okay, that's what I see when I think of summer. And my last line, tell me how your topic makes you feel. Okay, so summer makes me feel free. I say that because I don't have to go to school. I don't have to go to work. I'm just free to do whatever I want. So here's my poem. Now, I'm going to keep my directions, but if you want to delete your directions to make your poem bigger, that's fine. Now, every poem has to have a picture, and I'm going to show you something cool. Did you know, if you go to Google, okay, and you type in the word animated, so whatever picture you want, I want a picture of the sun, animated sun picture GIF, GIF, that you'll get an animated picture. So take a look. Okay, I like this. Oh, I like this cute little sun. Look at him, he's moving. Okay, and then if you click, left click, and you drag it to your presentation, and you let go on your slideshow, on your slide. Oh, there it is. It will have an animated picture. How cute. So if you would like to have an animated picture, go right ahead. Okay, so here's my poem. It has a title, has a picture. Okay, I'm going to make a space. Now, to me, I'm going to change up some colors. You know what? If you want, go ahead. I'm going to say looks like yellow. I'm going to make that yellow. Okay. Lemonade is also yellow, but I'm going to kind of have it do a darker yellow. Why not? Ooh, splashing in the pool. That to me sounds like it would be blue. Whoops. Blue. I'm just having some fun with it now. Ooh, it smells like sunscreen. Those sunscreen bottles are always like a bright orange. I'm going to have orange. Oh, looks like the beach. The beach kind of looks like sand to me. So what's kind of sandy? That looks kind of sandy. And it makes me feel free. When I feel free, I'm just going to put my favorite color, green. Okay, notice how I had a little bit of fun with my fonts and my colors. You can too. So when you do your example, your final product should look exactly like mine. Obviously, it doesn't have the same example, but I don't have the words line 1, line 2, line 3. I just have the lines. I have a picture and I have a title. Okay, but your job for tomorrow, okay, I'm going to be really nice. We don't have school on Monday. For Tuesday, there is no reason that you should not have any of this done. For Tuesday, you will need to have 2 different 5-sentence poems. Think of seasons and think of holidays. Those are the easiest ones to do. Okay? I can't wait to read them. See ya.